Hi ladies, I'm Ali and welcome to Clear Skin and Wellbeing. So today I thought I would go through some lipsticks with you and show you the ones I'm using at the moment. Now I love lipsticks and I thought I would just go through the pink colours today, more for a summery vibe. Now what I would do first before I apply any lipstick is I've got some City Block here because I use it in the morning. And I just want something with a base to put over my lips and to just protect any lines around here. It does have a factor 50, so it also protects my lips as well. So here it is, just a tiny bit of colour there. Now if you're not using something like this, even foundation will do, because if it's got an SP, even better. It would protect the lips, and also it blends in any small fine lines around the mouth, so when you apply any lipstick it's not going to bleed into the lines. Now I tend to not wear lip liner. I find if I put lip liner around I end up looking like the Joker, and I don't want to look like the Joker. So I tend to just put this on and then put my lipstick on straight. Now I've got 6 lipsticks actually to show you. My last one is my favourite one, all on the high street and all quite reasonable. The first one isn't really, which I'm going to show you here, isn't a lipstick really, it's a lip balm and it's from Burt. I paid less than £5 for it. I think, yes, Pink Blossom. They come in various colour shades, but I think this is perfect for the summer. It's 100% natural tinted. There we go. So I'll just show you here. I just do this, and the thing is with a lip balm, you don't have to be too precise, and it just adds a slight glow for not very much money and just a hint, and you know it's protecting your lips. And I think it's a very, very nice one here. Very good one. Right, take off the next lot. Ready? Now, again, it's more of a lip balmy, not too much of a lipstick. And it's this one, which is a number 7. Again, they do them in various colours. It's like a chubby stick, and you can just twist it. There you go. And you can see it's just a pretty pink, not too pinky. Again, you can go slightly over, doesn't matter too much. I tend to go over too much, but I tend to use this, probably one of my favourite ones. I use this all the time. It's quite easy. And what I do, quite naughty, I would take a bit and then I would just put a bit on my cheeks actually. I like something which is dual action, which is going to do 2 jobs. It just gives you a bit of colour as well. So that is the number 7. It doesn't have a colour on here. Can't see it, just high shine, and you can just tell by the colour on the lid. So that's my other. Now the other 2 are my MAC ones, which I shall take this off first, which are more expensive, but I did buy from, I think it's a cosmetic company, which you can find, I think it's all around the world to be honest. It's I think it's owned by Estee Lauder, and they sell Clinique, MAC, Estee Lauder, Bobbi Brown. So these are my 2 MAC ones. This one, I can't even see the colour on this one. I always think the writing's always too small, but I love the colour. I mean, that is a real vibrant, in your face pink. And actually, it feels nice. It doesn't come up that pink when you put it on. That's quite a pretty colour. And that's a MAC. As I say, I'll put this, they actually are on the descriptions down below. Right, 3 more to go. It's that one. I won't put this one on, but this is also, actually I will do, this is another MAC one. Again, I bought it from the cosmetic company. I think I paid £22.50 rather than £29. So it's all sort of reduced. I'll show you that. Now this has got more of a brown tint to it. more matte, not so shiny. It was nice. To be honest, I quite like a shine. It's very nice though. Right, that's that one. Right, so next one I'm going to show you, although my lips are slightly getting more toned and coloured anyway, it's L'Oreal. And what's this one called? Colour, can't even read the colour. I'll put it in the description down below. But again, it's quite a pinky colour. And it's just an easy, it's not expensive. Quite bright. If you're wearing bright, you just want a bit of a pick-me-up for the summer. It's a great colour actually, and I can't remember how much it was. It was probably under a tenner. And to be honest, when you go to Superdrugs or Boots or any of those, they've always got offers on, you know, 3 for 2 or something. And that's from L'Oreal. Now I'm going to show you my last one, which is my favourite. And I've got to say, I think it's so underrated. They do lots of different colours, but I just think it feels quality and it's quite cheap. I think they're about £10–12 a lipstick. And this is from Marks and Spencer's, and it's their Autograph range. I was put onto it by watching a YouTube with Rosie Huntington-Whiteley, and then went straight to Marks and Spencer's and bought the lipstick, and gosh, it just feels nourishing on the skin. Can't recommend it enough. So what I like also, you know it's good when, you know, you got the little click. It's just, even the packaging. So now this is their slightly dark one. I can't remember what it's called now. I put it on the description down below, but it's more of a pinky, it's something rose, I think this one is. I've bought so many from them. Yes, it is. It's called Rose. It's like a pinky brown. It's not bright pink, but it's such a nice colour. You put it on, it feels really silky. And it just feels nice, I've got to say. It almost feels like a real high quality, expensive lipstick. Sorry, I always like to, this is what I'd always usually do to give myself some colour. I would then match it in. So there's nothing worse than having your lips and then you put it on a blusher and it's a different tone. I think it's better to have it the same. So for me, this rose from Autograph, Marks and Spencer's, I think it's about £12.50. They also do other colours, which I also have, but I've just shown you the pink today, which is, I've got to say, one of my favourites. That and that, they're the two I would use the most, which is the number 7. So I hope you enjoyed this, I would say tutorial, sort of review. Nothing hopefully too expensive on there, my sort of more budget range, but some lovely lipsticks and lip balms. Please subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you hopefully in the next one. Okay, bye.